Well. God bless. This is a great day God has made, and I have some exciting news for you people. This is the hottest, newest flyer that we have, the Cash Money Millionaire, people. The Cash Money Millionaire. It's going to put some serious money in your pocket. This is for the big ballers, a high ticket, a big ticket, whatever you want to call it. Okay, but the thing is, you must be in faith that it fits for you. Now, what I want you to do is click on the subscribe button. Okay, click on that subscribe button. Then I want you to do is hit the notification bell, smash that bell, okay, and give me a thumbs up, and share this video with someone you know that's looking for an amazing opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, because I got a special on this that I'm going to give you some extras when you get started with this right here, with the Cash Money Millionaire. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, because my mailbox has been exploding with it. Okay, tested it, and I mean, it's been working amazing. Look, you don't have to worry about any type of MLM or network marketing dealing with this. You don't have to worry about people passing you up when you get started. Okay, you don't have to worry about gifting. You don't need a computer. You can do this business because it's simply mailing out this money-making flyer to the leads that we're going to provide to you when you get started. Okay, and putting a stamp on it and waiting 7 to 10 business days for a return. All right. Now, here's what you get when someone replied to your flyer and join you from your flyer. All right. You're gonna get $3,000 in 5 books of stamps, or $4,000 in 5 books of stamps, or $5,000 in 5 books of stamps, people. It is so simple and so easy. All they're gonna do is they're gonna put a check here for the $3,000, and then they're gonna send $3,000 to, if someone in box 1, 2, 3, right now, this is what's called first movers advantage. So they send $3,000 to box number 4 in 5 books of stamps, or $4,000 in 5 books of stamps to box number 4, or $5,000 in 5 books of stamps to box number 4. Okay, that's how it's going to work. All right, so once you get started, your name is going to go here in box number 1, and they're going to send you the same thing: 3,000 in 5 books of stamps, or 4,000 in 5 books of stamps, or 5,000 in 5 books of stamps. People, everyone gets paid the same. It's none of that foolishness where it breaks up because you're doing the same work everyone else is doing. So you get rewarded for that. Now here, when your name moved to box number 2, you get 3,000 in 5 books of stamps, 4,000 in 5 books of stamps, or 5,000 in 5 books of stamps, over and over again on a residual basis. Every time someone mail out a flyer that got started with you, your name is on their flyer forever. So you're gonna make money with other people that got started in the business with you from your flyer, and you're not gonna know some of the people that they got started with, because you move on to number 3 and you're gonna be on that other person flyer. You see what I'm saying? That's why I say you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Now, this is what I'm going to send to you when you get started, okay? You're gonna get 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 hot buyer leads, people. Imagine just a 2% return on this. The numbers are phenomenal. That could be $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 within 6 months of mailing this flyer. You're going to get all the support you need from me. You have my phone number, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Okay, you're going to give me a call, or I'm going to call you. You're going to set up a time and a date. We're going to have some training, and we're going to have some personal coaching. I just need you to be coachable and teachable. That's it, and we're well on our way. Okay, you're going to see $1,000 in fast food restaurant coupon certificate, places like where you go sit down and eat, okay, as a family, like Denny's, IHOPs, Olive Garden, Red Lobsters, Rudy Tuesdays, okay, Applebee's, Ponderosa Steakhouse, Outback Steakhouse, a lot of places like that. Also, fast food restaurants, Burger King, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Quiznos, okay, Popeye's Chicken, French's Chicken, okay, so many other fast food restaurants, Dairy Queen, you name them, we have them on here, okay? And so you get to select the restaurants you want for items you know you frequent too, okay? Also, $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Now, my amazing story is this: I went to Walmart, went grocery shopping. My grocery bill came up to over $190+. By the time after I gave them the coupons, it was like 90 something dollars. I think it's maybe like $92. I saved over $100. I saved over $100 to where I went to the nail salon in that Walmart, got a pedicure, manicure, and went out to eat later on that evening. Okay, you're gonna get a master copy of this flyer. Okay, the Cash Money Millionaire flyer. You're gonna get the master copy. Your name and address here, or it could be your company name and address. Your phone number could go here, or an email address could go here, wherever you want. And people, look at this. It's sent FedEx overnight. Coming straight to you, FedEx overnight, $1,000, $4,000, or $5,000 and 5 books of stamps. Can you imagine? Just 3 people at the 3,000. That's $15,000, people. And 500 stamps to resend this to. But that's not all. That's not all you're going to get. Also, what I'm going to send to you is my mailbox Cash Money marketing kit. This is the $125 value. You're getting it free when you get started with this program. If you're tired of being broke, this is your opportunity to do something about it, to have the cash money you need flooding your mailbox. Okay? Let's look at what you get with this marketing kit. This is my personal marketing kit that I put together. This will be emailed to you, all right? Your flyers will be emailed to you. The only thing I'm gonna send you in the mail is going to be your leads, and you will get a tracking number when those are sent out. Look, 100,000 flyers printed out, okay, on both sides, black and white. You don't have to pay for stamps. You don't have to pay for the names, for $155, because they already have their clientele ready and waiting for an opportunity like this. They just pick your opportunity and ching ching, you're in the game. You're in the game. Places where you could post my pre-written ads online. All you do is copy and paste them online, free. Where I get my stamps from 29 cents to 39 cents. Okay, of course, my 2 sources for my hot buyer leads that I use. How about this? 2,500 color flyers, 2-sided, printed and sent to you for $87. Colors as beautiful as this color one that you're looking at now. How about 5,000 postcards, 2-sided, for only $99? People, and much, much more. You don't have to go crazy, you know, over your marketing and knowing what to do, because I have you covered with the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. Okay, this is going to put some serious money into your mailbox. Okay, also what I'm going to send you is the Abundant Stamp Program. This program I started a while back ago is really picking up steam. You're gonna get $50 each time someone joins you with this, and all of this is free. They're gonna select 100 stamps, they're gonna select 200 stamps, or they're gonna select 300 stamps, or 400 stamps, people. Your name is gonna go here, or your company name and address here, and phone number, or it could be an email address. All right, you mail this out along with your flyers right here, okay? And guess what? Ching ching, then you pick up another $50 plus all the stamps. Now here's the other amazing things right here. There's a residual income built into this system, because once you move to number 2, okay, you're gonna get $50 and 100, 200, 300, or 400 stamps over and over again, because then when someone else joins, you move to number 4, then you're gonna make money from these 2, and when you move here, you're gonna make money from 3 other people, and some of those people you are not gonna know, because you in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determines what you get. You need to take a massive action. If you're tired of being broke, now you can do something about it. Okay? Now, that's the marketing kit and the grocery coupon. Now, you're gonna get 1, 2, or 3 3-day, 2-night mini vacations. 1, 2, or 3 3-day, 2-night mini vacation, people. You're going to places that's amazing places that's going to just really help you to relax. You're going to pay to get there. Guess what we're doing? We're taking care of your hotel accommodations. We're talking 4- and 5-star hotels. Also, what you're going to get either 2, 3, or 4 8-day, 7-night mini vacations. Can you imagine just going somewhere for 8 days, 7 nights? You don't have to worry about your hotel accommodation. It's taking care of that for you. And of course, you know they're gonna treat you nice because they're gonna want you to come back. How much money you save? Amazing. You're gonna get the master copy of this flyer with your name and address on it. Like right here, your name and address, and phone number, email, or your company name and address on right here. And all you simply do is continue to mail this flyer out over and over and over again. What I call mush, M-U-S-H, mush. Mail until something happens. You keep mailing until something happens. 7 to 10 business days is around the time you get a reply. Okay? Again, to see this, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. When you go to cashcowprogram.com, you just select, look at all the flyers that we have there. Have over 52 flyers there. So you just select the flyer you want, follow the information, and print it out, send it in, and give me a call. Give me a phone call, and let's talk. Okay? I may throw in a bonus for you, depending on where you start. This is simple and easy, people. I made this a one-stop shop. Everyone get paid the same. Everyone's get paid the same. That's the amazing thing about this. We all get paid the same. And you know what? Nothing, no payment have to come from the company, because the person from the hot buyer leads is the one that's responding and sending you cash and stamps, FedEx overnight. Okay, I hope you had a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is, where you are. I look forward to working with you. You have a blessed day. God bless.